Welcome to the class for today. It's grade 6 math. My student will join the class now. You can subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See as she joins the class for today. Okay, university connection. Yeah, how are you today? You're muted. Unmute yourself.
I'm good.
What did you say? Okay, you're fine, right?
Yeah.
Alright, use a video. Did you do your math assignment?
Yeah.
Okay, send it to me right now.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, you said you send it now, right? Okay. Alright, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So the first question says what?
The first question said, solve for x. X plus 7 equals 15.
So how did you solve it? Can you explain?
You have to minus 7 from the 15,
But
which will
did
give
you
you
show that?
9.
Okay. If you're supposed to get 2 marks, you gotta get 1 mark because I told you to always show your work. So x plus 7 equal 15. So what am I supposed to write next?
For the next one.
No, this is the equation.
Oh,
So what am I supposed to write?
15 minus 7.
Do I just write onto 15 minus 7? Or I say x equal to what? 15 minus 7, right?
Yeah.
So that is a step by step. Then x equal to what?
8.
8. I still give you a mark for today, just as a warning. So the next one says 3x equal 21. This is number 1.
To find this,
Yes.
to find this, you have to remember that most of the time, a number before the letter means, in this case, 3x means triple x. So if you were to divide 21 by 3, you would get your answer, which
So what
is
do I do
7.
now? 3x over 3 equal 21 over 3. Do you think this is correct?
Yeah.
So what's the next thing? 3
You
cancels
have
3.
to.
Then this is 7. Okay, number 3. 2x minus 5 equal to 11. So what do I do here?
In this one,
You take the
you
5
have.
to the other side, it becomes positive, right?
Yeah.
2x equal to 11 plus 5. Then we have 2x equal to 16, right?
Yeah.
Then x equal to what? 16 over 2, which means x equal to
8.
8. Did you get x equal to 8?
No.
No. But do you understand the step?
Yeah.
That's better. And the number 4, we have 3x plus 2 equal y. Find y when x equal 4. So y equal to 3 into 4 minus 5. I mean plus 2 rather. I was looking at another one. So what is 3 times 4? That's 12
12.
plus 2. Then y equal to what? 14. So
14.
next time show your work. And the next one, number 5 says
Simplify
4a.
4.
Yeah, simplify 4a plus 3a minus a. So what do we do? 4a plus 3a is 7a. What is 7a minus a?
6.
6a. So why did you put or? Next time you do that, I'll just cancel the whole thing. It should be 6a, not or this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, the next one, we have to take this to the next page so we can have some spaces right there. Okay, let's see. So the question here says, number 6 says, how many degrees are in a right angle? Of course, it's 90 degrees. Then find the perimeter of a rectangle 8 cm by 5 cm. What's the formula?
26 centimeters.
What's the formula?
Oh, the formula.
Perimeter equals to length plus breadth times 2, right?
Yeah.
Or length plus width. So that is twice of 8 plus 5, and that is twice of 13, which is equal to 26 centimeters, according to that. Then the next one, number 8, we have to find the area of a square with side 6 cm. What is the formula for the area of a square?
Length. Length times width.
Length times length.
Length times width.
Length times length for a square.
Length. Length times width.
Length times length for a square.
Length times width for a square.
For a square, length times length, not length times width. There's no width. It just have all the lengths. The same thing, okay? Just like you're talking about length, width, and height in a cube. A cube should have the same length all through, okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
So you say L squared. You say what?
L times. L times
L squared. L squared.
Yeah.
Okay. How many sides does an hexagon have? It has 6 sides. That's correct. Then the angles in a triangle sum up to how many degrees? That's what it is. So you got 9 out of 10. That's a very good job.
Okay.
So here is the one you're gonna try now. I'm gonna move it up. Let me move it to the other page and see. Okay. Not that. Not that first. Trying to make sure that's. Yeah, can you see it now?
Yeah.
Alright, try it. Alright, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, the first question says you convert 2.5 kilograms to grams. What's your answer?
2,500
How did you
grams.
do that?
Well, I remember the note that 1,000 grams would equal.
Did you show your work?
Yeah. I wrote my thinking way. I wrote that 1,000 grams would equal 1 kilogram, and then I doubled it.
Anyway. So read what I wrote.
2.5x 2.5 times 100 grams equal
Times what?
2.5 times 100 grams.
Is that 100?
1,000 grams. It equals 2,500 grams.
2,500 grams. Okay, that's good. The next one says how many minutes are there in 3.5 hours? That's 3.5 times 60, right?
Yeah.
3 times 60 is 180. Then half of 60 is 30. You add it. A train leaves at 9:45 and arrives at 11:20. How long is the journey? So what did you do?
You will do takeaway of 11:20.
Did you do the takeaway? 80 minus 45 is what?
18 minus 45 equals 35.
So what's 10 minus 9? That's 1 hour
1.
35.
Yeah.
Convert 3.2 meters to centimeters. That what 3.2 times 100. And that what? 320.
320.
5 pounds minus 3.65 pounds. So it's a 5 minus 3.65. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and 9 minus is just 3. 4 minus that's 1. That's 135, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the next one. Sarah has 24 sweets. She gives one third to a friend. How many does she have left? That is 24 minus one third of 24, right?
Yeah.
So she should have 16 left. 16? Did you get 16?
Yeah. Yeah. No.
You got 8, right?
Yeah, I didn't
Because you
double it.
simply found one third instead of subtracting
Mm.
it. A shop sells apple at 45p each. How much do 8 apples cost? That's what 5p times 8, right?
What? 45p times 8.
That's 3 pounds 60p, right?
Yeah.
Did you get 360?
Yeah.
You didn't get it.
I did. On the edge of the page that it says my final answer.
I can't even find that there. But you said 320 or something, right?
I said 36.
That's not how to work question. That's what I'm trying to tell you, okay?
So I put the answer first.
Well, no, 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 no. What you're supposed to do is 45, not 40 times 8. Okay? Is that clear? Is that clear? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Can-
Sorry, you were glitching.
Okay, is that clear now?
Yeah.
Alright, no problem. I'll send you homework. So, goodbye.
Bye.
Alright, viewers, thanks so much for watching. You can subscribe to the channel. Goodbye. Welcome again. It's English class for grade 5. My student is already in class. You can subscribe to the channel. Okay, how are you today?
I'm good.
Alright, welcome to the class for today. We're going to look at the solution to this. Just hold on a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Alright, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So, read the story, let me hear you.
On a Tuesday afternoon, Noah went to the school library to return a book about the solar system. When he opened his backpack, the book was not inside. Noah checked his desk, his classroom cubby, and the lost and found box. His friend Emma remembered. His friend Emma remembered seeing a book under the seat of a school bus that morning. After school, Noah asked the bus driver for help. The book was under the seat. The book was under the seat, and the book was under the seat where Noah had sat. Noah returned it into the library the next day.
Okay. On Tuesday afternoon, Noah went to the school library to return a book about the solar system. When he opened his backpack, the book was not inside. Noah checked his desk, his classroom cubby, and the lost and found box. His friend Emma remembered seeing a book under the seat of the school bus that morning. After school, Noah asked the bus driver for help. The book was under the seat where Noah had sat. Noah returned it to the library the next day. Now, have you ever lost anything that does not belong to you before?
Uh, yeah,
How did you feel when it got missing?
mad.
You felt mad?
But I
Why?
have it.
Why?
Yeah, because my mom would have to get pay money to them if I don't find it.
Okay, you mean it's a school property?
Yeah.
Alright. So have you ever lost your mom's item before?
No.
No. Maybe money. Maybe mom said, take this money to this and you misplaced it. No,
Oh, I misplaced it in the church.
in
It was
the
supposed to
church.
be an offering.
Okay. Okay. And when you were looking for the money, how did you feel?
Hopeful.
That you will find it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The first question says, who are the characters? So, who are the characters?
The characters are Noah, Emma, and the bus driver.
Noah, Emma, and the bus driver. That's correct. That's perfect. But we still have issues. The issue is still right around writing is getting better, but can be more beautiful. Okay.
Okay.
What is the setting? Include the time and place.
Include the time and place.
Mhm.
This, the time and place. The setting is Tuesday afternoon at his school.
Okay. So that is 1 out of 3 marks. Though you said at the school, right? But where at the school?
At the
This is
school.
it the classroom or the laboratory or the school kitchen?
We're at the school. It's the school library.
But did you
The
mention
school.
it?
I don't think so.
You didn't mention. So next time you're just gonna get half mark. Then which other location was involved? The school bus, right?
Yeah.
So when you were asked about the setting, you said include time and place. So you said the school library and the school bus. So Tuesday afternoon. Okay. What is the main problem?
The main problem is that he cannot find his book.
Cannot find his library book. Okay. The next
Mhm.
question says,
Mhm.
list two important events that happened after Noah notices the book is missing.
Two important events. When Mia noticed a book under the sea, and when he was looking for the book because it adds a feel of suspense.
He asked a few of his friends, right?
A feel of suspense.
Okay. Feel of suspense. Wait, they're talking about what are the things Noah did or something about Noah. So when he discovered that the book was missing, he checked his desk. That is very important, yes or no?
Yeah.
And it was also very important for him to check the lost and found box, right?
Yeah.
So then it's also important that somebody mention that Emma remembers seeing a book under a bus seat, right?
Yeah.
And Noah also asked the bus driver for help. So Noah asked the bus driver. Those are like four important events that happen. So if you were to write this in an exam, you just get 1 out of 4, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you get 2 because you mentioned Emma. But then you said a feel of suspense. No, it's still 1 mark. So the next one says, what is the what? Solution to the
What
problem.
is
What was the solution to the problem in the passage?
the solution to the problem? The solutions
They
to
check under the
problem.
seat, right?
Yeah, they check. Oh, I mixed them up then.
Yeah, you're right. You said they listened to Emma and they check under the seat, but you didn't mention the bus seat. The last question. How is the problem resolved at the end of the story?
The problem is resolved. Um, by checking under the seat.
No, that was not the problem. The problem couldn't find the book, wanted to return it, right?
Yeah,
So at the end of the story, what happened?
they returned it.
That's the solution, okay? That is what happened at the end, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6. So I'm going to give you something to try. These are the things you will encounter in your next grade, so they're going to be asking you more of those characters, something, something, something. I think this is the next one. So you read this, then there are some questions under it. When you're through, let me know, okay?
Okay. How do you know the person's name and it says who is telling the story?
For number 3, what do you say, please?
How do you know the person's name because it says who is telling the story?
Oh,
And it says,
it's asking you who's telling the story, right?
yeah.
Yeah, well, you figure it out, but if you can't, leave it.
Nope. Person point of view. Is it the first person?
I don't know. He said who is telling the story, right? First person. I stood outside room 204.
Okay.
Uh,
Is that the last question?
no. Okay, when you finish. Alright, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So the story says, my first day at robotics club. I stood outside room 204 after school, holding the flyer for the robotics club. I had wanted to join for weeks, but I did not know anyone in the group. When I walked in, a student named Ben waved and asked if I wanted help build a small robot. Soon I was connecting wires and testing the robot's wheels. At the end of the meeting, I wrote the date of the next meeting in my planner. I could not wait to return. Okay. In this story, who is this story told in the first person or third person? Of course it's first person. Because it says I, me, my. You got 2 out of 3 here.
I didn't see any me in the passage.
Mm. Uh, you didn't see any me where it says me, right? Or did you find it?
No.
Maybe that's true. But you could see my, right?
Yeah.
And I. I think my and I. So those are the words there. I stood at a whatever fly I wanted to join for weeks. I did not know anyone. When I walked with student, yes. Then as if I wanted. They asked me. There's no me there. If I wanted. Okay. It's connecting at the end of I could not. So that is correct. I and my, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So who is telling the story? It's the first person. Still the same thing as the second one. Then, how does the narrator feel before entering the room 204? How?
Nervous.
Nervous, unsure, because they do not know anyone. Because the narrator doesn't know anyone, okay?
Okay.
And, in the room. How does the narrator feel at the end of the story? Excited,
Excited
eager
and
to
happy.
return. Yeah. So, what event causes the narrator's feelings to change? Ben welcomes the narrator and invites them to build a robot. Okay. So I can say you got everything here, okay?
Okay.
So that's a good job. See you tomorrow, by God's grace.
Goodbye.
Bye. Alright, viewers, thanks so much for watching and subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the class for today. It's grade 5 math. A student will join the class now. You can subscribe. Thank you. How are you today, Munachi? Munachi, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Alright, you're welcome to the class. So this is the question, right?
Yeah.
Have you done it?
I'm on number 7.
Okay.
Number
Yeah, you can finish up once you're through, you said. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, so this is 58 times 24. Let's see. 58 and 24. What is 4 times 8? 4 times 5 is 20. Then what is 2 times 8? 2 times 5 is 10. This is 2, this is 9, this is 3, this is 1. Did you get 1392 or 1388?
Wait, what did I do?
Wait,
Oh, I put an 8 behind it.
wait. How did that happen? Let me check. Let me check what I did. Or,
You're right. I
okay,
did it wrong.
okay. So 1392, right?
Yeah.
So, let's see. Then the second one says 126 times 35. 126. 35. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 2, 10, that's 13. 5 times 1, 5, that's 6. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 2, 6, that's 7. 3 times 1, 3. 0, 11, then that is 14, and 4. 44, 10. Then the next one is 2, 3, 0, 4 times 7. 7 times 4, 28, 7 times 0, 7 times 3, 21, 7 times 2, 14, so 16, 128. Wait a minute, did you do the 23, 04 times 7?
What?
You missed it, right? You skipped it, right?
Skip number.
Number 40.
No, I did it.
Where is it?
Scroll down.
Okay. Where is it? What was your answer?
16, 128.
Okay, I think that was the answer. Or what? 16, 128.
Okay.
So the next one is 864 divided by 8. 8 and 8 is 1, 8 and 6 is 0, 8 and 64 is 8, that's 108. You get 108? Yeah, thanks.
108. Yeah, I did.
You got 107. So, let's do something with that. So, the next one says 1575 divided by 15. 1575 over what? 15. I mean 15 in 15, that's 1. 15 in 7 is 0. 15 in 75, that's 5. That's 105. You get 105. Okay. Then this one says 32, 76 divided by 12. 32, 76 over 12. How many 12 in 32? That's what? That's 2, which is 24. Minus 8.
I don't think I did that one.
How many 12 in 87? That's 7, which is 84. Remainder 3. How many 12 in 36? 3. So the answer is 273.
Wait, did I do that one?
Yeah, you did that one. So the next one says 4928 over 16. 4928, 16. 16 goes in 49 3 times, that's 48. Remember 1, 16 in 12, that's a 0. 16 in 1, 28, that's 8. 308. Oh, let me say 16 times 8. 8 times 8 is 48, right? 8 times 1, so that's 128, that's correct. A school has 24 classrooms with 28 students in each. I mentioned that again, that is 28 times 24. Or 24 times 28, so 24 times 28. We have 8 times 4, 32, 8 times 2, 16. 8, 2 times 4, and 2 times 2, then you have 2, you have 17, you have 6, 7, 2. Then the next one says a factory packs 3,600 pencils equally into 24 boxes. How many pencils are in each box? So that is 3,600 divided by 24. So 3600 over what? 24. You can divide it by 12. I mean 12 in 36, that's 300, and 12 in 24, that's 2. So this is going to be 150. Did you do that?
No.
You skipped it.
Yes.
You ran away because you thought it was difficult, right?
Yeah. I tried it and then I was confused. I got stuck.
I simply divided by 12. I got 3 and 2, right? Right?
Oh,
12 in 36, 3. 12 in 24, 2, right?
yeah.
Then 30 over 2 is 15, then you put 0. So that's the easiest division in the world. The library has
I did
8,000.
something wrong
Is
for
that
that
what?
one. I did it wrong for that one. And then I was confused.
Okay, factory has 8,450 books. It donated 2,786 books. I mean, it's subtraction. 8,450 divided by 27, minus 2786. 8,450 minus 2786. So this is 4, this is 14 minus this, and this is 13 minus this, and this is 7 minus this. 5, 6 is 4, right?
Yeah.
You got the answer. And the last one says farmer harvests 125 apples each day for 18 days. How many apples does farmer harvest? That is 125 times 18. 125 times 20. Why am I multiplying by 20? 125 times 2, 250. So minus 250. This is 5. This is 2. 2250. Did you get 2250?
Scroll up.
That's
Scroll up.
125 times 18, right?
Yeah.
You didn't do it.
Scroll. Yes. I did it. It's
Where
in
is
that
it?
corner. It's in the corner. Next to number 2.
Next to number 2. Okay, 2250. How did I get my 2250? Do you know?
By just doing it times 20, since you already knew the answer, but you just needed to subtract by 250.
Instead of doing times 18, right?
Yeah.
I did times 20 because I can easily multiply by 2, okay? You multiply 125 by 2, you get 250 and you put 0. Then you know that you added 2 extra instead of 18, right?
Yeah.
And the value of the 2 is 250, so you subtract it to get this. And if you multiply this, 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4, that's 20. Then 8 times 1 is 8, then plus 2, that's 10. 1 times 5, 1 times 2, and 1 times 1, then you get what? 2250. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me, okay, no problem. The ones you didn't do, you get the trick, right?
You get what?
You get the trick. Number 1, what happens to your number 1? This is number 1. Then number what again? Number 7. What's number 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is divided by 16 stuff. Number 7. Where did I divide something?
I get a trick. What do you mean I get a trick?
Do you understand it?
Yeah.
So, what number again? Apart from number 7. Number 8, number 9. So it's number 9. Where's number 9? 8450 minus. That's number 9. And then the last one you got the answer. So that's 2. You missed 2 questions, so how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 10. Okay. I'm going to send you homework over, okay?
Okay.
Goodbye for now.
Bye.
Alright, see you. Alright, viewers, thanks so much for watching. You can subscribe.